Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Sonata, where style meets innovation. Bold, sophisticated, and designed to turn heads. From its striking new grille to the signature LED lighting, the Sonata is a masterpiece of modern design. A vehicle that commands attention whether it's parked or on the move. Step inside and you'll find a cabin crafted for comfort and technology. With premium materials and cutting-edge features, the Sonata offers a driving experience like no other. With a fully digital display and an intuitive 12.3-inch touchscreen, everything you need is at your fingertips. Stay connected, stay entertained, and stay in control. The price of the 2025 Hyundai Sonata starts at $27,800 and goes up to $38,600 depending on the trim and options. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute, the Sonata adapts to your lifestyle. Spacious, versatile, and equipped with all the comforts for the road ahead. Under the hood, the Sonata delivers powerful performance with hybrid and turbocharged options, giving you the efficiency without sacrificing excitement. The thriftiest Sonata is the hybrid, which the EPA estimates at 44 miles per gallon in the city and 51 miles per gallon on the highway. Front-wheel drive non-hybrid Sonatas are rated for up to 25 mpg in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. While there is an all-wheel drive option, that would reduce that highway number just slightly to 34 miles per gallon. The turbocharged 2.5-liter Sonata N-Line delivers an EPA-estimated 23 city and 32 miles per gallon highway. Safety? It's our top priority. With Hyundai SmartSense, the Sonata is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, so you and your loved ones are always protected. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata, style, performance, and innovation, all in one extraordinary package. To learn more, visit us online at walser.com or stop by either one of our Hyundai locations in Brooklyn Park and in Coon Rapids.